Hello, I am Jérôme Bonfils. I am account manager with Intralinks based in the Paris office in France.
Okay, and what are your thoughts on the event so far?
So far, a very nice event. Nice place. Vienna is a very nice city. The organization is nice. The food is nice. We are French, so the food is important. And yeah, and also the conference is really very good in terms of subject. And we've seen a couple of the speakers that I think are really with the right skills and the good things to introduce.
So what were your reasons for attending the conference?
Because Intralinks has a business offer for pharmaceutical trials and safety distributions, so that's the reason we are here, to meet people and have the opportunity to present our offer.